super easy, super delicious, super portable that we can bring to our family and our friends tomorrow that they will absolutely love.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're here, my name is Tara. I've been putting out a lot of bonus videos in the past couple of weeks. You guys have absolutely loved. So I thought tomorrow is Thanksgiving. Let's whip up some incredibly easy and delicious cookies that we can bring for our family, for our friends, that everyone will absolutely love. So today we're gonna make some oatmeal cookies. These cookies are super easy to make, super delicious, and you guys are gonna absolutely love them. Before we get started, if you have not already, I would love for you to be a part of this community. You do that by hitting the red subscribe button that's right below this video. Sunday, we are gonna make an incredibly delicious Italian chicken pasta in our Instant Pots. You do not wanna miss this recipe. Be sure to click the bell icon, that way you're notified each time I post a new video. If you guys are ready to make some incredibly delicious oatmeal cookies, then keep on watching. We're gonna start by grabbing a large mixing bowl. To that, we're gonna add some oat flour. I made my own by grinding up some rolled oats in my blender. Then we're gonna add some quick cooking oats, some rolled oats, some Himalayan pink salt, some ground cinnamon, and then we're gonna add some baking powder and some baking soda. This is gonna keep our cookies light while still giving them lift. We're gonna add some black pepper, makes the cookies extra delicious. In another bowl, we're gonna crack in 3 large eggs. I'm using cage-free eggs here. A complete list of ingredients as well as all of the instructions are in the description box below. So we're gonna use a whisk, or you can use a fork, and we're just gonna blend it up really well. Then we're gonna add some sugar. I'm using coconut sugar here. I love to use coconut sugar. It's unrefined and low on the glycemic index. You can use any kind of sugar you prefer. You can use brown sugar, you can use monk fruit extract. Then we're gonna add some pure vanilla extract and some melted coconut oil. We're gonna just mix all of that together. Then we're gonna go back to our dry ingredients. I'm just using a whisk just to incorporate all the dry ingredients together. And then we're gonna pour the wet ingredients right into the dry. Now I started out with a whisk, but it wasn't long before I realized a spatula would be much easier. So I did eventually switch to a spatula. This dough is quite dense, and that's exactly what we're looking for. Then we're gonna grab our baking sheet. Mine is lined with a silicone baking mat. You can also put parchment paper or just grease it. I'm using a cookie scoop to get them roughly the same size. And then I'm using my fork to flatten them down. I highly recommend doing this. Then we're gonna bake them for about 15 to 22 minutes until they smell absolutely delicious and cooked all the way through. We're gonna allow them to cool in the pan for about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Now at this point, your cookies are absolutely delicious, but I thought, let's jazz them up a little bit for the holidays, so I grabbed some confectioner's sugar, and I'm using a little bit of cold water. You can also use monk fruit extract here. Then we're gonna add in a little bit of vanilla extract. It is gonna make the icing even more delicious. And when it gets to be the consistency that you prefer, we're gonna drizzle it on top of these delicious cookies. It really ramps them up and makes them look even more beautiful and taste even more delicious. I like to store these cookies in the freezer. When they're finished cooling, I put them in a single layer on a baking sheet, pop them in the freezer, and then whenever I feel like having a cookie, I simply grab one out, let it thaw on the counter for about 10 minutes, and they're absolutely perfect. These cookies are so incredibly fast to make. They're so easy to make, so incredibly delicious. You guys are gonna absolutely love this recipe. What did you think of today's video? Drop me a comment below. Let me know either a recipe idea you have. Are you interested in more baking, Instant Pot recipes, let me know. I would love to hear from you. If you like today's video, especially bonus videos, and you want to see more like it, be sure to hit that like button and share this video on all of your social media platforms with your friends, your family, your coworkers, or anyone else that you know that is interested in healthy but delicious recipes. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you Sunday for our Italian chicken pasta. Bye, guys.